Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, thanks to HWM Aston Martin, I'm taking you on an in-depth exterior and interior tour and exhaust sound video of this 2022 Aston Martin Vantage F1 Edition. To find out more about this car and many other high-specification vehicles currently for sale with HWM Aston Martin, please click the direct link in my bio. The F1 Edition Vantage celebrates Aston Martin's entry into F1 with both racing and support cars. It comes in 3 colours, each with 2 finishes, and adds power, aero and suspension updates to Vantage. To show these updates, I will be making comparisons between this and the standard Vantage throughout the video. F1 Edition comes in at 4,490mm long, 25mm longer, 2,153mm wide with the mirrors, 1,274mm high, and has a dry weight of 1570kg, 40kg heavier. Now moving our focus to the powertrain, we need to pull the red lever in the left footwell to unlatch the bonnet. Then moving around to the front, we can lift the bonnet up and self-support it on its 2 struts. F1 Edition is powered by an uprated version of the engine found in the standard Vantage, a front mid-mounted 4-litre twin-turbo V8. Here, it comes with a 17 bhp increase in power, bringing output to 520 brake horsepower, but torque stays the same at 685 Nm. This results in the same 0 to 62 mph, 100 km/h time of 3.6 seconds, and top speed of 195 mph. Looking up at the underside of the bonnet, we find the same central venting and carbon louvres as in the standard Vantage. Once finished in the front, the bonnet can be easily brought down and fixed in place with a firm press. Now moving down to the corners, we find larger 21-inch wheels, one of 2 finishes. The car's braking power is provided by 400mm front and 360mm rear cast iron discs as standard, but carbon ceramics are also available. Vantage F1 still comes with the same general suspension and damping hardware as seen in the standard car, but here they've been stiffened and adjusted at the back and the front to enhance stability and control. Now we've finished the model overview, we can move to the exterior update tour. F1 Edition comes with Aero Body Kit 2 that provides 200kg more downforce than the standard Vantage. This starts at the front with a new, full-length splitter that curves up at the sides. Accompanying the splitter are new canards that aid the car's front downforce further. Moving up, we see this car has been spec'd with the F1 specific livery that starts on the bonnet and runs over the top and back of the car. Moving to the lateral aspect, we find new carbon fibre side gills with F1 Edition badges. Running out of these, we find more of the F1 Edition's custom livery. As we move up and over the car, we see a carbon fibre roof as standard with a continuation of the livery. Back from this is a much larger rear spoiler than we've seen on the most recent incarnation of Vantage, with the end of the livery below. The hardware below this, such as the exhaust and the diffuser, is unchanged. As we move inside, we find new Alcantara finishes, including on the doors, the steering wheel and the seats. There are also new badges on the sills and the middle of the centre console. The seats seen here are the standard Super Sport seats, but a new carbon bucket can also be spec'd. Now we've covered the majority of features, we can hear the exhaust, in both normal and Sport Plus modes. So that concludes my exterior and interior tour and exhaust sound video of the new 2022 Aston Martin Vantage F1 Edition. Thanks again to HWM Aston Martin for inviting me to film. As previously mentioned, all of their contact details can be found in the description of the video. Please subscribe for the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.